Barnum Bailey Circus train. It is 1 o'clock on April 20th. Get down, Nook, or I'm going to throw your ass out there on the train. Looks like some of the animal cars. Some guy was just staring at me. Very cool. Different train than last time, except it might be longer. Very cool. Isabella, come here. Bella, come look at the circus train. Come here. Come on. I know you're in your jammies and it's cold, but come here. Oh, look. The circus train. You see the circus train?
Yeah.
Look at that. Is that cool?
Yeah,
Maybe next year we'll go to the circus.
I'll go.
You want to go?
Well, I'll go play,
Hold on, it's wet outside. We just came out to say hi to the train. Take a picture of it.
No.
Yeah, wave. Wave. You wave to the people on the train?
Hi, people.
Those are all the circus workers. There's their cars. I guess, oh, here comes all their trucks and stuff. The animal cars are up further, I think.
What animals?
No, we're not going to see any animals. Maybe not. I don't know.
What animals?
Well, we're going to keep looking.
Doggy Tingly.
Yeah. Look at the train. Look.
A pretty duck.
We can throw the asshole over the fence. I'm sure they'll take him.
Look.
Yeah, we're still looking. You got to hold tight. Oh, look, there's a bus.
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. You can't get down because it's wet. Look at all the cars.
No, I want it. Hey, no more.
Hold on.
No.
You gotta wait. You wanna go back in the house?
No.
Well, then you gotta sit still. Hold on. Oh, the train's almost over.
My train.
Yeah, look, almost over. Almost over. They're going slow.
Yeah, I go slow. I won't do.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Wait.
Say bye-bye, train.
Bye, train.
Say bye-bye, circus.
Bye-bye, circus.